Hi guys, today I'm visiting a commercial air source heat pump factory to understand how the equipment is produced and how it can be applied in industries like agriculture. The workshop has marked aisles and separate areas for production, inspection, and finished unit staging. Several sizes and configurations of heat pump units are being assembled in parallel. And along the production line, I saw workers installing compressors, copper refrigeration piping, fan sections, large find heat exchangers, electrical controls, and supporting steel frames. Large classes move between workstations on roller lines and wooden pallets, while components and sub-assemblies are prepared beside each station. Near completed units are lined up for inspection, protective wrapping, and subsequent packing. I also saw designated rooms marked for helium leak detection and inspection. And together, these areas show me that how an organized production path from component installation and refrigeration circuit assembly to inspection and finished unit handling. From an agricultural perspective, models and system designs can be integrated into greenhouse heating and cooling. And they told me that agricultural water temperature management, like this, poultry, and also livestock house heating, farm hot water, and low temperature agricultural drying are also using these equipments. There are more detailed information about the drying applications. These materials that can be dried, like tobacco leaves, medical herbs, sausages, and other agricultural and food products. Low temperature closed loop drying is designed to reduce the loss of active ingredients, prevent mold, and provide more consistent control of temperature, humidity, and final moisture during continuous production. And also for modern livestock farming, heat pump systems can also maintain a more stable environment inside breeding facilities. They also mentioned that potential farming applications for agricultural and animal husbandry enterprises are also using lots of these equipments. So, however, the visible production setup does not prove that every model is suitable for every farm. Before selecting a system, I would verify the local climate, heating or cooling temperature, and required air or water temperature, drying curves, humidity control, and deforest performance, corrosion protection, energy consumption, and destination market certification. They also mentioned that there might be a market in the US, but still there are some barriers or some technical problems that are not being solved right now. So still, I have learned a lot today, and if you have this kind of requirement for this equipment, let me know. Give me the information about the situation that you will be using these machines, and then I will help match the system and check the supplier for you, and make sure they can make this machine for you. And that's what I'm sharing today. Thank you guys. This is Catherine. Bye bye.